Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solutions. I am Preeti Rajani working here as functional consultant. So in today's video, we are going to see what is what if analysis in fixed asset Oracle Fusion. By changing some information in asset information, you can see the impact on the depreciation. Example, change the life of asset or change the method of depreciation, etc. Say if there's any asset whose life is 70 years, but we want to see how will it affect the depreciation if life will be 80 years. For that, we will use the functionality what if analysis. So these are the following steps. You have to go to asset workbench. From there, you have to go to task list and select perform what if analysis. After that, you have to run the process, that is what if depreciation analysis report, to see what is the difference between two depreciation with the existing one and with the depreciation case that we have to test. Now we will move to our application to see how it is done practically. Click on navigator. From here you have to go to asset workbench. Click on asset. Go to task list. Here you have to select perform what if analysis. Here you have to select the corporate book, or you can say asset book. I'm selecting it as HT corporate book. Select the starting period. Say I want to start from August 22. Select the currency here. For how many periods you have to see the impact of depreciation. Select here. Say I'm giving 6. Select the category of asset that you want to see the depreciation effect. Click on OK. Now here you have to give the new depreciation scenario. Select the method here. I am selecting it as straight line method. In the existing depreciation scheme, the life of the asset is 60 years. I am changing it to say 28 years to see the impact on depreciation amount. Now click on submit. You can see here the pop-up message, that is request number was submitted to create what if analysis data. Now run the what if depreciation analysis report when the analysis is completed. So you have to run this process to see the impact on depreciation amount. Click on OK. Now go to schedule processes. Click on yes. Here click on schedule new process. Click on search. Search the process what if depreciation analysis report. Select this process and click on OK. Again click on OK. Now here you have to give the asset book name. You have to select the process ID. Give the period from which to which you need to see the depreciation difference. Select no here. Now click on submit. Click on the refresh icon. Now it will generate the report. Through that report, you can see the impact on depreciation due to change in financial information of the asset. You can see the status succeeded. Now click on this process. Click on republish here. Click on action here. Click on export and now click on PDF. Now system will generate the report. Click on open file. Here you can see the impact on depreciation due to change in financial information of asset. Scroll little down. So these are the depreciations. This is the existing one and this is the depreciation as per the new information provided by us. In this way, if you want to see the impact on depreciation, you can use the what if analysis functionality. Thank you so much for watching the video.